Hello everyone, welcome to Prompt with Pal, Security Under the Hood. Today we dive into one of the most significant shifts in how security and productivity converge inside Microsoft 365. It is called Microsoft Agent 365. This is where the autonomous intelligence meets enterprise-grade controls. It is built on the same substrate that protects your mails, chats, documents, and identity, and it respects your policies, your permissions, and your compliance boundary. This is the moment where AI doesn't sit on the side but becomes a secure participant in your workflow, helping you investigate incidents, prepare responses, and take governed action with precision. In this episode, we want to unpack why this matters to CISO, how Agent 365 works behind the scene, and what changes when every team can rely on the secure agent that is always ready to assist. Let's see it in action. So let's dive into the world of secure autonomous agent with Microsoft Agent 365. This is where the governance meets intelligence, where autonomy meets control, and every AI finally operates with enterprise confidence. We begin in Microsoft 365 Admin Center, like you can see inside the agent section under tools. This page shows where MCP server in your tenant. MCP servers are how agents interact with your enterprise system. They ensure every request, every response, every action is mediated with clarity, transparency. You can see servers for Word, Teams, SharePoint list, OneDrive, user profile, and even Central Copilot Chat MCP, all listed as available here. But two servers stand out. Outlook MCP, Mail MCP, and Outlook Calendar MCP are blocked. This is not an accident. This is the governance in action. Our organization reviews each MCP server to ensure the data access, security posture, and compliance requirements are fully cleared before enabling them for agents. Let's now shift to our user experience inside Microsoft Team. A user is finalizing a procurement workflow and needs to send an update email to Nitin. They simply ask their agent to send the confirmation message, but the agent responds, "Sorry, your company policy does not let me send email messages." This is the moment every CIO appreciates. The system did not rely on trust. It enforced governance in real time. The agent checked its allowed tools, saw the Outlook Mail MCP server is blocked, and refused to execute the action. So no hidden access, no shadow IT behavior, no backdoors. This is enterprise-grade safety working at the speed of AI. Now let's look at how we can unblock it based on the requirement we have. Now we return to the admin center where the IT admin opens the Microsoft Outlook Mail MCP server. It is indeed blocked, but since the compliance team has now approved it, admin clicks unblock. Instantly, the policy takes effect across the entire tenant. There is no delay, no service resets, no background sync. Switching back to Teams, the user issues the same instruction, and this time the agent sends the email successfully. We even open the mailbox, and there it is, the email with a beautifully structured launch checklist covering the code review, security validation, performance testing, documentation, deployment readiness, monitoring, stakeholder communication, and everything that you need has been sent across. So this is a perfect example of Microsoft ensures AI autonomy remains controlled, explainable, and safe. Next, we enter the Agent 365 Overview dashboard. This is one of the most powerful additions in Microsoft 365 for IT teams. At the top, you see total agents in your organization, active users, hours saved with agents. This metrics turns AI adoption into a measurable business value. The dashboard also breaks down the publishers, platforms, and trending usage patterns, giving you a clear picture of which agents are becoming essential tools for your workforce. You can see the growth week over week, spikes in usage, and direct correlation with productivity gains. This level of visibility is unprecedented in the AI systems we have used in the past. So now let's look at all agents inventory. So now we move on to the all agents inventory. Like you can see here, this is where your entire agent ecosystem lives. Every agent is listed with security alerts, active users, sessions, exception rates, and ownership. You can instantly identify the risky agent, ownerless agent, or agent that have been blocked. The moment we click on Java Fabric Supplier Agent, you see a detailed overview like the one that you can see here, including permissions, user, security status, and connected systems. This is the heart of responsible AI operation: discovery, governance, and action in one place, and all tied to Microsoft Entra, which means every agent has identity, authentication control, and policy-based access rules. Now we change persona, switching to security administrators in Microsoft Defender. Here is advanced hunting. We run a query that pulls telemetry generated by agents, everything from invoke agent to inference call to execute tool. Agent 365 telemetry follows a standardized schema using the observability SDK. This means security team gets a consistent machine-readable logs that can be hunted, correlated, and alerted on. Running the query generates a timeline graph. Event spikes during the busy hours, drops during the quieter periods, and every record can be inspected. When we click a record, we see details like agent ID, blueprint ID, the server address, port, tools invoked, and operation types, like you can see here. This level of transparency involves a long-standing security gap. So earlier, AI system acted like a black box. With Agent 365, every action is visible, traceable, and linked to policy and identity. So from hunting to moving to incidents, here security teams get a consolidated view of any issue related to agents, including the suspicious sign-ins, OAuth permissions modification, and risky user activities. If an agent triggered or contributed to any event, it appears here with fully traceability. Switching to alerts, you see all detection sorted by severity, medium, high, or low. Microsoft Defender brings AI agent into your existing security posture without adding new complexity. So your SOC analysts now have visibility into AI activity with the same depth they have for application, identities, endpoints, and network. So finally, we move to Microsoft Purview. This is where the compliance team get this deepest level of observability. In audit search, we filter by new AI-specific record types such as AI execute tools, AI invoke agent, and AI inference call. The Purview returns a detailed list of every action the agent performed in the environment. Inspecting a record shows IP address, user context, tools executed, operation types, timestamp, and organizational identifiers. So everything is logged, everything is explainable here, and everything is compliant with Microsoft's commitment to responsible AI. This is Microsoft Agent 365, built for security, governance, and future of autonomous work.
And that's Agent 365 that marks a powerful step towards the world where intelligent agent supports security team without ever compromising identity, governance, or trust. It shows how Microsoft is bringing AI deeper into the security foundation of M365 while keeping every action compliant and auditable. As you plan your roadmap, this is the right moment to explore how secure agents can enhance your operation, strengthen the consistency, and reduce manual load. So stay tuned in as we continue uncovering how AI and Microsoft 365 Substract and Microsoft Security come together to build the next era of resilient, intelligent security and operations. Thank you.